It's a Mosi Monday, and we are back with Mosi educator CJ Chrysler. And I have no idea what we're doing, but it looks fun. And I know there's always a science twist. We've got markers, we've got coffee liners. What are we doing today, CJ?
So we're going to talk about chromatography, which is a technique in science of which we can use two phases to basically separate components of a mixture.
Okay, slow down. Okay.
Chromatography.
Chromatography,
Yeah.
word of the day.
Yeah. So for this one, we're using a very simple chromatography method. We're just going to use it for markers.
Okay.
And I'll show you kind of what I did here. So I took some markers.
Okay.
And I had a brown marker, a purple marker, a black marker, a green marker, and a red marker. I really love this green one because you can actually see the blue and the yellow kind of
That's
separate.
only one marker?
Yes, this is from one marker.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so with two phases, we have one phase where we just have like a still phase where we just keep paper hanging. So for instance, I'm going to put it on here.
I was going to say, so what, can I play along here?
Yes, let me show you this first. So really you just need to take any marker, you can draw a line, and then you can hang it in a solution. All right, this is the mobile phase where water or isopropyl alcohol using capillary action, so it's just gonna kind of climb up.
What
capillary action is gonna start climbing up this filter here.
Capillary action. CJ, bring in the vocabulary today.
And eventually you're gonna see those colors mix. So.
And that was alcohol, you said?
This is, this watered down isopropyl alcohol. And you can already see the blue starting to come out of that. Yeah. And so this is also a really cool craft that you can do. So if you want to take an entire coffee filter, you're going to take some markers, just add a few colors. So
does it matter what?
It doesn't matter. You can do shapes, you can do patterns, you can color the whole thing. All right, you can do
for the sake of time, right?
Yeah. All right, and then I'm gonna do one more. And then we're just gonna take that same isopropyl alcohol and water.
Woo!
Yeah, and we're just going to gently
I love your little
spray.
hearts. Okay, I'm gonna steal your ideas.
Okay.
I'm doing hearts too. That's a great idea.
And eventually you're gonna see these colors start to mix.
Okay, so then you put it on the table. I'm a little slow.
You're good.
Here. Okay, she's spraying mine here.
All right. And you can leave it just like that. You can hang it, let it move around, but eventually it is going to dry. And then you can actually use a lot of these papers to make some crafts. So for Thanksgiving,
CJ,
I took my filter and I made a turkey. All right.
Huh. Very cool. It's almost like an easy way to tie-dye something.
Yes, there's so many different things you can do too. So I took a turkey with no feathers. You can also draw this, use a popsicle stick. You can add your coffee filter. You can cut up some of the feathers here, make a turkey for Thanksgiving. If you're not into turkeys, you can also make snowflakes. You can also make butterflies. There's a ton of things you can do with this one.
Hey, CJ, do me a favor. Say our words of the day again. I always forget.
Chromatography.
Chromatography.
We also had capillary action.
And capillary.
Yeah.
Chromatography, which is the separation of colors, and it kind of shows what? Elements and things all separated?
Yeah, it's going to separate the components of a mixture. So in this case, it was the different pigments in our ink here.
Cool. Well, you know what? Just another example of learning science on the hands-on way. Mosi, there's the info on the screen, so you can go and have some fun for yourself.